Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our Walmart beauty box. This is the summer edition. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with it, or those of you who may have forgotten, this box you pay shipping only, which is approximately $7. And with that $7, you would get the newest and sometimes the best of items that are big sellers in the beauty departments at Walmart, okay? And sometimes there are full sizes, most times there are sample or trial sizes. So we will open it up and check it out. This one says I have box number 4. All right, so when I open it up, it comes like this. It has some coupons in it. It does have a little description booklet, and it lets us know what the theme is. This season, it is sunshine in a box. Now, this one says ultimate summer crushes. Love yourself the most with this sunny curation. And you can shop the full sizes of any of the products that we're showing out of this box at walmart.com/beautybox, or you can always go and pick them up in the store. Well, it does look like everything in here is trial size, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, there it is. So the first item that we have in this box is the Sun Bum Original Sunscreen Lotion. This one, the SPF is 30. It says it smells like summer. This moisturizing sunscreen formula will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays while enriching your skin with vitamin E, and it's water resistant and great for all skin types. Now this one is a 1 fluid ounce size, so this one is a trial size. If you were to get the full size of this product, it would run you about $16.48. Now, let's see. I want to check and see if this one is a clean product or... Okay, now this one, unfortunately, it's not telling me if this one is a, oh, I take that back. This one is a gluten-free and vegan product. And in addition to that, it says it is water resistant for up to 80 minutes. That means reapply, reapply, reapply. Okay, you want to make sure you stay covered. Now, even with this one, it is safety sealed, which I'm grateful about. Okay, but like I said, remember that if you were to get the full size, which would be 6 ounces, so it's this 6 times. Okay, and it would run you about $16.50. So then the next item that we have is also a sample size item. This one is the Dove Coconut and Vanilla Whole Body Anti-Friction Stick. And this is an aluminum-free 72-hour deodorant. And it says this one is a 0.5 ounce size. So as I stated, it is a sample size. It says anti-chafe deodorant for all over. It has 72-hour, as I stated, protection and skincare with a coconut and vanilla scent. Okay, it is a PETA approved product, and in addition to that, it is also cruelty free. Now, actually, it smells really, really fresh. It's the coconut nor the vanilla are really overwhelming, but it does smell very clean. Oh, I like that a lot. Now, if you were to get the full size of this, that would be about a 2.6 ounce size, and the cost would run you about $12. It says $11.99 in the pamphlet. The next item that we have is also, this is kind of unusual. We don't usually get this many of the travel sizes, but it's okay. It's all good. The next one that we have is by COVERGIRL, and it's this one right here. And this is the new Lash Blast Cleantopia Mascara. Now, this one is a 0.05 fluid ounce, but if you were to get the actual size or the actual full-size product, it would be a 0.32 ounce size. And it says plant-powered clean mascara with up to plus 300 extreme lush volume. Now it says, it has a little asterisk by it. It says versus bare lashes, okay? Just keep that in mind. All right, now I'm here for it. We are definitely doing the plant-based thing all over the place. It says that this one is 100% cellulose plant fibers. It has an hourglass shaped brush, and the ingredients in it are aloe extract, ceramide, maracuja oil, and it lasts up to 24 hours. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. They have a picture of what the lashes could potentially look like. Can you see that? They potentially would look like that. Now, it's not telling me how many strokes it would take for it to look that way, but it said you could potentially have that look. Now, this is what we've received, which is truly, truly a sample size. This isn't even a travel size unless you're only going for maybe 2 days or so. All right, now this one is a cruelty-free, a vegan, and clean product. The shade that I have is Extreme Black. Okay, good to know, good to know. Now, I have seen these in the store. Now, if you are a CVS card holder, they do have sales constantly, you know, where you can use your card to receive a better price. Now, the next item we have is by Eva NYC, and this is the Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this one is a 2 fluid ounce size, and it is it says it has hyaluronic acid in it and collagen, and it is also a vegan product. Now, if you were to get the full size of this, it would be 5 ounces. So that is 2.5 times this size. Now, also, it says it's clinically tested. It is clear, which is always good. That means you're not going to have that buildup look. Okay, so when I turn it over, it does give me a little bit more information about it. It says that it is clinically tested. It is a clean product, certified cruelty-free and vegan, and it is responsibly sourced. Love those things. Now this one actually is giving me a shelf life on this product. From the time that you open it, it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, now if you were to purchase the full size, it would run you almost $14 at Walmart. At Walmart. Now it says $13.97 for this wonderful leave-in conditioner. This is the right time of year to really indulge, you know, in items like that. All right, now let's just move right along to the last item. This is the last item in the box. This one, however, is a full-size product. Wow, we got one out of this. Nope. And the last product that we have, this one is also a sample size. This one is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. All right, that's what it looks like right here. Now this one, it does say it is a sample size and it is 0.02 fluid ounces, but the full size, it says, is 0.03 ounces. The shade that I have is black, and it is a liquid liner. Felt tip. All right. It's small enough where we could go ahead and do that because it will definitely be used. This one has a shelf life of 9 months. 9 months shelf life, okay? But if you were to purchase a full-size product, the cost would be $8.98. Now, please remember these prices are what you would pay online at Walmart. Okay, make sure you remember that part. Online at Walmart. How about that? Now, this is a nice assortment. Definitely helps you to become summer ready, especially the first one. And that is our sunscreen. Very, very important for all skin types. Melanin, you still need a sunscreen. And these are definitely products that I would use, and I will tell you I am glad to get them so that I can try them out. And what better time than the summer box. So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Walmart Summer Beauty Box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price if you were to get the full size items for everything that was in the box. All right, now make sure you give it a thumbs up if you're liking the Walmart Summer Beauty Box. All right, let me know your thoughts down below. Is there something here that you would love to try? Do you find this value for what we're getting? Let me tell you something. I would rather spend $6.95 and get these, all of these, than to spend $6.95 on one full-size product and never use it. So just think about it along those lines, all right? Now, in addition to that, make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And it's so easy on the pocket, especially in this climate, because it is free. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.